Hi there! In this video, you will discover the reason why you want to live a more organized life. Hi, my name is Maria and my mission is to help you to live a more organized life. Like Simon Sinek said in his book, Start with Why, we also need to start with why when we're starting anything. If you want to live a more organized life and you start decluttering and simplifying and organizing and labeling everything, I promise you, everything will go back to the way it was in 2 months because the principle won't stick if you don't start with why. So let's do this really simple, shall we? Let's say we're talking and I ask you, why do you want to live a more organized life? And you say, well, because I want my house to look clean and neat and organized. And I ask you, why? So you answer, well, because I'm tired of wasting my time looking for things and I feel that I have too much stuff and too little space to put everything away. And I ask you again, why? And then you answer, well, maybe because instead of wasting my time, I could be doing something else. And then I ask you, why? And then you say, because I want my house to really be the place where I can rest and I can create good memories with my family instead of being a mess and the reason for my frustration. You see how we went from I want a nice clean looking house to I want to rest and create good memories with my family? Here we ask only 4 whys, but you can ask as many whys as you want until you feel that you can really get that answer of what is your real why you want to live a more organized life. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll give you another example. Let's say we get together and you tell me that you are feeling really tired lately, and I tell you that I know the solution. The solution is for you to exercise a whole day twice a week. What do you think your answer will be? Most likely, you would tell me that you have no time for that whatsoever, that you're pretty busy and you can just not take that amount of time in your week, 2 full days to exercise. Time goes on and let's say you keep being very tired. You go to the doctor and this doctor tells you that you have a rare disease and that you can actually cure it, but the cure is for you to exercise a whole day twice a week. What would you say then? Of course, you would say you would do it because you know your why now. Your why is to live and you would do anything in order to achieve that. So all of a sudden, something that you didn't have the time to do becomes your priority because you have a why. You want to live, and this exercise becomes the way to reach your priority. Of course, I'm not asking you to take 2 full days out of your week in order to get organized. But what if I tell you that if you know your why, I can teach you everything about how to get organized, and those changes will really make a difference because you would know where you're heading. Knowing that get organized means to rest and create good memories with your family or whatever your why is. And you can tell me, well, Maria, I now know my why and I want to get organized, but I don't know where to start. In the next video, we'll talk about exactly that. In the meantime, remember, keep calm and keep organized. Cheers.